everybody, it's Helen with an unboxing from Dreamers Designs, and welcome to Diamond Paintings with Cats and Dogs. We have here, let's move you around so you can see it. Got a bit of a glare. It is a Lighthouse Haven. See if we can move it to where there's no glare. It is from Nick Bohem. It is an 80 by 60 centimeters. And I already took the plastic off to make it easy to open. So let's see what kind of goodies are in here. Okay. Set that aside. Sorry about that. Comes in this nice dust bag. Okay, so right at the top is your toolkit. And your painting. And it comes with this pretty bow. It is so pretty, especially because it's purple. Really nice, soft canvases. I love their canvases. Now let's open it the right way. Okay, here. Let's see here. Let's get this opened. Got some stickers and some drills. Set this here for right now. No sneak peeking. Okay, so you get the sticker sheet, instructions, a thank you, tips and tricks, and instructions, 15% off your next purchase. And it has all the medias on here too. So let's set that aside. Let's go into the tool bag. Maybe. Okay, and in the tool bag we have a diamond painting pen, 2 squishies, a 3-placer, a straightener. I think that is a 4-placer. No, that's bigger than that. Tweezers, be very careful, they're very sharp. And this pen here is for your specialty drills, and this goes on your tray, so you can put 2 colors. And then your wax, one in each little tub. Don't forget to take off the plastic that they do put on there to protect it from drying out, and some baggies. Now, I don't use any of this stuff, and sorry about that. I use my own now, but this is more than enough to get you started if you're new to diamond painting. Okay, so get our sticker thingy here. This here is coming off, but it is from Dreamers Designs, Lighthouse Haven by Nicky Bohem. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. Diamond shape is square. It is 80 by 60 centimeters. It has your start date and your end date. And sorry, now the bestie's texting me. I think it's a new thing we're doing. And it has 61 colors. It has no ABs. Sorry, I'm looking at Dreamers. I am so sorry. They have their stuff at the end. So it has 4 ABs, LZ, 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 and YG. And I'm so sorry, I don't know what those are. So we're going to have to look at them together. So let's set that aside. And let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so now these are drills. There's 2 packs of drills. They actually have the name of the drawing on each one of them. It says there's 2 of 1 and 2 of 2. So let's flip this baby over and see what we got. Oh, yes. One of my favorites, lighthouses with the bay, and well, this is very beautiful. Okay, so this is Dreamer's Design. So on the bottom here it says Paint with Passion. Let's get it up here. Paint with Passion. And it also has over here your support information, your lifetime warranties, and then you have a legend on this side. You have a legend on this side. And above that, you have your social medias and why isn't my camera doing anything it needs to be doing. And then on this side, Lighthouse Haven with the names and all the information you need there. Well, it's been a while since I opened a Dreamer's Design. So let's check out how some of the glue is. Really nice. And for the work area, it's very clear even with the designs on it. Check out another section over here, some more colorful section. Oh, the lighthouse is so beautiful. Okay, so let's check out the drills. Bag 1. So here we go. These is 152, really pretty. 152. Let me go down here so we're not so close up, but maybe we can see them a little better. 152, we got 2 bags. 157, 158, 159, 60, we have 2 bags. 161, we have 2 bags. And 310, let's see if we have any more. Yep, we have 2 310s. 317, 2 318s, 336, 350, 356. We have 2 407s and 413. Let's see, 950, 311. Sorry about that. I just got an injection in my wrist today, so please bear with me. 312, 313. We have 2 3371s. 38 is 3607. We have a 3727, a 3747, and a 3770. That's bag 1. And then let's get to bag 2. Oh, I don't like that they put the sticker there. We'll fix it. Okay, bag 2. Let's get you opened. Oh, so we have glow in the dark. That is YG03 and YG05. They're glow in the darks. Okay, that's cool. And these glow in the dark actually go in the lighthouse up here in the top here with the lighthouse. So that's going to be pretty cool. I think that's the only spot it goes. Oh, here in the sky where the sun's at. So we got some of these in the sky, in the lighthouse to make it look like it's actually glowing. So that is going to be really pretty, really cool. Okay. And we got 3772, 3774, 3778, two 3799s, 3819, 3836, 3849, 3856, and 3858. Okay. 3860, 3861, we have two. And then our ABs here, we got 208, a really pretty purple. Oh, it is really pretty. Let's see here. It's pretty purple. Okay, so this pretty purple is in the flowers all through here, some of these flowers. And then we have a pretty pink, and the pink are part of the flowers too. So all through here in the flowers. Some flowers in here. Pretty orange, which is 742 AB. Same thing. All through the flowers. Some in the sky. Some in the house. Lighthouse. 3078, a really pretty yellow. And the same concept is in the lighthouse, the skies, and in the flowers. Oh, some crystals. The LZs are crystals. And we have three of them. Pretty yellow, a red, and a white. So let's see where these lovely ladies are at. So in the lighthouse, up in the sky, we got them in our windows and stuff in our house over here. So yeah, the house is going to just bling, bling, bling. Woohoo! Okay, so we have two 938s, 935, 931, 930, 902, 890, 823, and two 801s. And the last batch here, 414, 415, sorry, 434, 469, 581, 518, 572, 780, 782, and 783. The fun part of all this is trying to get it back in the bags. I'm sorry about making all the noise. Okay, so bag one. Put bag two back together. And we'll go and scan through this drawing a little bit. I have a feeling I'm not going to get these back in here. We're just going to set this aside so we're not doing a lot of noise. But as you see, it is a nice size one. It's very pretty. Like I said, my favorites are beach lighthouses. I'm just the biggest lighthouse freak ever you're gonna meet. I love doing all the landscapes. I'm sorry, I really am not into doing too many portraits or people unless it's my grandbabies or my children. So this one again is a dreamer's design, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you again. Bye.